In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up overlays in OBS Studio. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just getting started, adding overlays to your broadcast can significantly enhance the viewer's experience and give your stream a professional touch. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first. Open OBS Studio on your computer. OBS Studio is a powerful, open-source broadcasting software that many content creators use to stream live video content. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to visit their official website and install the latest version. Once you've opened the application, you'll be greeted by the main interface. This is where all the magic happens. Take a look at the Sources box located at the bottom of the window. This is a crucial part of OBS Studio as it allows you to add different elements to your stream, such as games, webcams, and overlays. To add your overlay, you'll need to click on the plus icon located just below the Sources box. This action will bring up a menu with various types of sources you can add to your scene. From the menu that appears, select Image. This option is perfect for adding static overlay images like borders, logos, or background graphics that you might want to display during your stream. After selecting Image, a new window will pop up prompting you to name your source. This name is important if you plan to add multiple images and need to keep track of them, so make it something descriptive like overlay or stream frame. After naming your source, you'll see a dialog window that has a Browse button. Clicking this button will allow you to navigate through your computer's files to find the overlay image you want to use. Choose the image file you've prepared earlier as your overlay. Overlays should ideally be of high quality and have a transparent background to best complement your stream's aesthetic. Once you've selected your image, hit the OK button to add the overlay to your scene. OBS Studio will immediately return you to the main screen, and you'll be able to see the image you selected added to your preview window. Now this is where your creative side comes in. Click and drag the overlay to position it exactly where you'd like it on the screen. To resize the overlay, click on one of the corners and drag it while holding down the Shift key to maintain its proportions. Play around with the position and size until you're satisfied with how everything looks. Congratulations! You've now added an overlay to your OBS Studio. By following these steps, you can customize your broadcast and capture your audience's attention with ease and creativity. Be sure to experiment with different types of overlays to see what looks best with your content.